Hey guys, what's up? So in my last video I shown you how you can do the perfect face filter trend on Instagram with the golden face ratio template, and I used this effect in my last video. So in this video I'm going to show you a simpler way you can use this effect. The effect name is perfect face ratio. To get this one, visit the creator profile. Green Bali is the creator of this effect. Go to his effect gallery and save this effect. Okay, then I'll be using this effect. In place of this you can use any other effect you want. Okay, once you save both of them, go to reels. Okay, here select effects. Okay, so I'll be using the first one. Okay, record a video with the first one. Okay, stay still, go to the effect gallery and choose the second one. Let's record. Okay, let's see the preview. Okay, once you are done, you can add some music or sticker, whatever you want. Then once you are done, hit next and you are ready to share it to your reels. Okay, and suppose you are not getting this effect like this, what you can do, go to this web page. Here in this website you will get both the effect. Tap on it and it will open in Instagram. You can save it from here also. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can do this perfect face filter trend on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.